Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm excited to share with you all my current haul which I ordered from Nykaa and from the brand Face Shop. So Face Shop newly launched their website in India. They were always available on Nykaa and Amazon, but they launched their own website. So they were running an offer of buy one get one. So you can see, hence you can see why I have each of two products, because I obviously took the opportunity of the offer. And then there's just one makeup item. This is the only item I bought from the Nykaa sale. The sale was really amazing. I was so tempted to buy a lot of product. I think I almost had like 15-16 products in my cart, and I cancelled it all and I just stuck to one product. So let's get started with what all products I have got, and let's just deep dive into each of it. Let's start with the skincare first. So let's start with the first product. This is the Calendula Essential Moisture Serum. I am an absolute lover of serums. So this is how such a lovely bottle. It's like a frosted bottle. It looks very luxurious, very nice. So yeah, this is how this product looks. Calendula is basically a ginda fool. I mean, it is that flower, and I had done a lot of detailed research about the product. Apart from just Calendula, they also had a lot of other good ingredients in it, and more than anything else, it has hyaluronic acid. And currently I have been like a sucker for hyaluronic acid, because like I do have like a normal to dry skin, and even if you guys do have like dry skin or dry patches, do try this serum, because this hyaluronic acid is like a humectant, and what it does is basically it takes in like the moisture from your moisturizer or from the air, from the humidity. It will take the moisture and it will hold it on in your skin, so your skin will look as if like you've drank like say 3-4 liters of water, or is well hydrated. So hence I decided to give this serum a try, because my current hyaluronic product was gonna get over in some time, so I thought this will be a good product to try it. Moving on to the second product. This is the Rice Ceramide moisturizing cream. So this I primarily got for my mother-in-law, and because she of course she is of her age, and with age obviously the skin dryness does increase, and my sister recommended it. She swears by this product. She says it is so amazingly hydrating. It actually feels very luxurious. It's like how you would feel like the Nivea, but like a more hydrating type of Nivea cream. So that's what the review was about this product from her. And I felt this will be like a good product for my mother-in-law, for people who are like very dry skin, or people with like a mature skin. They love like a good moisturizing, hydrating product. And again, this has hyaluronic acid in it again, so again another hydrating product. So yeah, super excited to try this, and yeah, shall let you all know how exactly it works for me. I already know, I've already done my research. I generally buy product after doing all my research only, so I already know this is like an amazing product. I just can't wait to try it. So final product from this haul is this White Seed Brightening Serum. Now I love a brightening product, and I love using vitamin C. That's what I use for my regular brightening. But I thought maybe to give this product a try. I had read a lot of good reviews about this product. Some people said that this actually feels like you apply like a highlighter on your face, and it's a little expensive, 2200, but like buy one get one off. So I and my friend decided to share it, so it technically came down to 1100. So yeah, I already know this serum is like really amazing, and actually all these products are really amazing, because first of all, the brand is a Korean brand. I do believe a lot in Korean brand. I do not blindly follow all their 11 or 12 or 13 steps of skincare. Because of course it works for them better, because they are in a cold country, extremely cold weather. It doesn't really work for us, like using all the 10 steps or 11 steps. Reason being, like, we are in a humid climate. I mean, if I apply so much like products on my skin, trust me, I tend to break down. So but then few of the pieces from their range is like they're like absolute gems. And Yeah, so hence I decided to buy these three products only. So this was around, I think, 920 rupees. This product was around, okay, no, it was 1320 rupees. Again, I got it like half the price because buy one get one, and this was 920 rupees. And yeah, 920 rupees. So again, I paid half the price because buy one get one. And moving on to the final haul. So this was from Nykaa. This is the Kiko Milano. This is the Radiant Fusion Baked Powder. I had heard like a great review about this product. People almost compare it with the Hourglass Ambient Lightning. It's a cult favorite product, and I wanted a compact. I was looking for a compact. I have a lot of loose powders. I was looking for a compact to keep it in my bag. Currently we're not going anywhere, unfortunately, but then this product is generally never on sale, like never on discount, but they had just this shade available, which was my shade, and they had it on sale. So I thought, okay, let me just take this product because I know I'm going to be using it. So, this product almost feels like a velvet. It is so soft, it is so well milled. It's really very very lovely product. Doesn't have a very high coverage. So I know it'll work very good for me. The packaging is luxurious. It's like a magnetic packaging. So oh my god, did I just... Okay, these things happen, not an issue. We'll manage. Okay, just a small dent. It is not an issue. So yeah, excited to try this and all these products. So do let me know, did you guys also buy anything from the current sale which is running around? So I hope you all enjoyed this, and do take care. Please have a very good day.